Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Benin Republic government extends Sunday Igboho detention for 6 months. Contrary to speculations by an Abuja-based human rights lawyer, Pelumi Olajengbese, at the weekend, that Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, will soon be released from detention, the government of the Republic of Benin has renewed its incarceration for another 6 months. The renewal came less than 2 days after Olajengbese made the announcement, though he has since resigned from the team of Nigerian lawyers handling Igboho's case.